Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to feature our 18007 master cylinder adapter set. You may have seen this before in our previous brake bleeding and brake service demo videos, but today we're going to take an in-depth look at this set and all it has to offer. This set includes 12 adapters designed to work exclusively with our 70921, 18051, and 18053 brake fluid bleeders, so you can easily remove and refill fluid in your entire brake system, simple and clean. This set is ideal for technicians servicing a lot of different vehicles since it's compatible with 90% of the current master cylinder reservoirs out there for disc and drum brake systems. We'll list a bunch of the applications on screen here, but it's best to check your vehicle's manual or measure your master cylinder's diameter to confirm fit. So let's take a look at fit. We list cap measurements and applications. There are times when you need to measure your master cylinder for fit. So what you're going to do is measure the inside diameter and measure the outside diameter to determine which caps will fit your situation. Measuring your master cylinder cap can be helpful also. You'll also need to know the style of cap attachment, whether it's a screw style, bayonet, or a simple press-on rubber cap. These three things will help you determine which cap you will use. This set quick connect is designed only for our 70921, our 18051, and our 18053, and that is an important part to remember. This kit also has the adapters for rectangular reservoirs, both in plastic and cast iron. A couple of tips. Remember, don't over tighten this style or it may warp and you'll lose the seal. And the retaining plugs may hang up on reservoir edge, so it's not going to fit. So you can pop these out and get a better fit. Also, there are two universal adapters to give you more coverage. These can be used with the pressure adjuster bracket or without for tight clearance situations with the 90-degree fitting. So on your typical setup, you want to remove the fluid from your reservoir and clean it as best as possible, and refill it with new clean fluid and attach the proper adapter cap. Fill your pressure bleeder with new clean fluid, and I usually put in about a quart. You don't want to run out and put air in the system. Pressure your bleeder to about 10 psi, bleed your system according to the manufacturer's recommended pattern, and any special procedure for your analog system. Well, there you have it, folks, the ARES 18007 Master Cylinder Adapter Kit. Remember to dispose of your fluids properly in accordance to your local regulations and clean your equipment thoroughly. Also, if you found this demo helpful, please let us know with a like or comment down below. And also, if there's a tool you'd like us to go over in the next demo, let us know with a comment and we'll try to go over it in the next one. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.